Happy Mardi Gras, everyone. It's Miss Gisa, and today we are going to learn a little bit about this holiday. And remember, if you'd like to make a king cake, catch the episode with Miss Kelie from At the Liquid Medium. Today's story is called Mardi Gras, written by Julie Murray. What is Mardi Gras? Mardi Gras is celebrated around the world. It is a time when people attend parades, eat large meals, and have fun. Mardi Gras is on a Tuesday between February 2nd and March 9th. It happens about 40 days before Easter. Mardi Gras may be celebrated for several days. Mardi Gras is the day before Ash Wednesday, which marks the beginning of Lent. Lent is 40 days. During this time, Christians pray and prepare for Easter. Years ago, people did not eat certain foods during Lent, so they would eat all their extra meat, eggs, milk, and cheese before Lent. Today, people still have rules about what to eat during Lent. Many people do not eat certain meals on special days during Lent, and many choose to eat fish instead. Mardi Gras got its start thousands of years ago. At that time, it was a spring celebration. Later, it became a Christian tradition. During the Middle Ages in Europe, it became known as Shrove Tuesday. Shrove refers to the telling of sins. Lent was a serious time, so on Shrove Tuesday, people wanted to have fun before it began. People ate pancakes on Shrove Tuesday. These helped use up eggs and fat, which were not allowed during Lent. Today, New Orleans is famous for its Mardi Gras parades. Crews still put on parades and parties. There are many different crews. The king of the celebration is called Rex. He is part of the Rex Parade. The Rex organization began in 1872. This famous group also chooses a queen and hosts a large party. Masked people ride on floats in the city's parade. They toss small objects called throws for people to catch. Popular throws include small toys, doubloons, and strings of beads. Many beads are purple, green, and gold. These colors symbolize justice, faith, and power. People eat king cake for Mardi Gras. A king cake is filled with cinnamon, fruit, or cream cheese. A small toy baby is placed inside the cake. It symbolizes the baby Jesus from Christianity. One person gets the piece of cake with the baby. He or she buys the next king cake or throws the next party. People must look carefully as they eat their king cake. Can you spot the baby in the picture? In the United States, Mardi Gras is a legal holiday in Louisiana. Other states have celebrations too. These include Alabama and Mississippi. Mardi Gras is a time to celebrate and have fun. In many places around the world, the celebration before Lent is called Carnival. One famous celebration is in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. There, Carnival lasts for 4 days. Thousands of people travel to the city to have fun. They dance and listen to samba music. How will you celebrate Mardi Gras? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our read aloud, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss another lesson. Dave, hold on. Make sure that you do not put the words in there, that you just put the picture. The pages like this can be obviously put like that, but if there's just like this, just put the picture.